What is your approach and KPIs to create a PPC strategy for the product launch? Product launch is one of the most complex things that one could ask, and I'm completely fine to answer it. However, usually when it comes down to product launch is my KPI is one, does the brand knows and is aware of what a product launch is? Most of the brands that we are taking over, maybe the bigger brands, they understand that is one of the main things that you are seeing, especially smaller brands struggle with, because even if we're telling them that this is what we're projecting, this is still not depending on us, and it's still depending on Amazon. And what or how you're going to test us is the quality of how quick are we iterating once that we get data, how are we going to narrow down to spend less on things that do not work. It's how I am seeing product launch, and double down on things that work. That is how I am seeing product launch now after 5+ years of helping both my brand and other brands successfully launch on Amazon. Success when it comes down to product launch is, did I make the first order? Is my product sellable? If you get at least that, then you will know, okay, I am going to invest more in advertising and see how I compete against other products. Because trust me, unless you did a super in-depth research, competitive research of what your competitor's product, analyze them, see how are you better and so on. And please don't tell me that it's only the pictures that are better, because I am here to prove you. That is how I did it. I was like, oh, I'm this smart person who has branding behind, and all my competitors, they don't have branding. What happens if they are going to pick up the pace and implement some branding within whatever they have? You're gone, right? So that's why I'm saying that you should be knowing exactly why your product worth to be sold and worth to be bought. And then the third thing, what is really important, no matter what are you doing, especially when it comes down to advertising, the first reviews that you're getting, ensure that you're going to get the first reviews and get as many positive reviews as possible. No matter how you prepared for the first steps when it comes down to product launch, if you're getting the 1-star review right at the beginning, someone who's looking at your product with a 1-star review, even if they did not left any feedback or comment on it, but gave you literally just the 1 star, it's going to show up on your product. Once you don't have 0 stars, people are at least considering you against other products that might have more amount of reviews, more amount of star, maybe more expensive than your products. But once you have that one negative review that's on the listing, we on the advertising side cannot do anything besides just pushing more the product that has one review listing.